My friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. In this video I'll show you my recent sketchbook drawing practice, a close-up study of a female face, and while you'll watch the speeded version of the process, I'd like to talk about something. I keep getting a lot of messages saying, I just wish I was more talented to be able to draw. And I must say, it kind of breaks my heart a little. I want to respond out loud so it might reach you as well. Maybe you want to achieve something, you want to draw, but you don't start your own journey simply because you think you're not talented enough. In case you would like to watch my real-time processes, more tips, tutorials, including the materials I use to make the process easier for you, please check out my Patreon account. There are more than 200 videos right now, and I'd be happy to be part of your art journey. I do not know what discouraged you or made you believe you can't learn to draw. Someone told you so, or maybe it was a piece of work by some artist and you found it so complex and beautiful and effortless or realistic or whatever, and it made you think, wow, I can't get to that level, I can't even draw a circle. I hear this one a lot. It's great you're impressed by someone's work. And it only means that it's possible to get there when someone else did, right? Try to make it inspire you or motivate you. We perceive the masterpiece as a result without the act of creating it. The patience put into it, all the care, all the time spent on it, but also all the work done before. All the sketchbooks filled up with the mistakes, little improvements, and much more. Well, I'm not quite sure how talent works and how much it affects the process of learning. But what I know, what I can tell for sure, is that drawing is something you can learn to do. And we're talking about a skill. It can be learned, it can be developed and improved. It just takes some time, or maybe better to say practice. And actually when I think about it, also the time can be crucial. I stopped drawing when I was younger, and when I came back to it, the drawing seemed improved even without practicing. Why? Because our perspective of seeing the world changes. We become more aware of the 3D world around us. And we might have better visual memory. We're probably more experienced in anything that has an impact on the process of learning and drawing itself. And everyone's process is different. Maybe that's where the talent has an impact, because some people can learn it faster, but it's okay. It's okay to spend more time and effort on the process of learning in case you love to draw. That's the time you invest in yourself. Enjoy the fact you're working on your own skills, on your personal growth. That's such a worthwhile and meaningful activity. What helped me a lot, I accepted that I'm a work in process, and I will be. I will never stop learning, hopefully. I try to learn something about realism, but I still keep getting back to the basics, the simple lines, working on the proportions and so on. And it's a cycle, and there is nothing to be frustrated about. This is my process. I try my best. I try to feel comfortable about the fact that I'm not able to draw something the way I want to, for now. But I know that my genuine practice will get me there sooner or later. And this brings a calm to my heart and to my practice. Sometimes we want everything to happen right away. I just can't wait to get to the result sometimes, because I have this intense feeling inside, a lot of excitement actually. And I just have the image on my mind. I can't wait to bring it to life. I can't wait to share it with you. It's a wonderful energy to start the project with. But on the other hand, it's totally balanced with the process itself. The process, the practice itself is very calm and slow. What I recommend to do is to stop thinking about the lack of talent that might just hold you back and focus on something that you can rely on, that will help you to achieve the goal you set up. And that's your work, your practice, your effort, your energy you put into it. It's just impossible not to improve your abilities when you practice. And I'm talking about constant and consistent practice. I don't like to use the word hard work because it evokes some kind of forcing in me. I don't want you to push yourself. I can see the most of the improvement happens more naturally. Moreover, the paradox is when you do focus on the result too much and you push yourself to get there, there is less attention left for the process itself, and it can take even longer to achieve your goals. Focus on every line you make just because you make it, to use the practice to its full potential. And also all the experience during the journey happens for a reason, and you don't want to miss it. You don't want to miss the opportunity to learn from it. No shortcuts. Be in the flow of it. Let your own abilities be your guide in the process. Do not push it. Do not push yourself. Practice with this calm and certainty. Of course, you can make some parts of the process easier and faster. It's totally up to you. For example, you can learn about some techniques and ways of using certain materials from others. That's what I try to offer on my Patreon. I always say that this process is not the only way to achieve the concrete result. And it's totally up to you which one you'll choose, which one you enjoy using, or which one just fits you the most for some reason. And the same can be told about the materials I use. I have a lot of videos where I try to share my own experience and tips. Hopefully this would help you to shorten the time, but the practice is in your hand. And there is one more thing. Drawing is not just about the result, you know it. It contains both the process and the result. The process leads inevitably to some results. Even in every stage of the process, there is already some result, and there is no result without the process. You can't really separate these from each other. The way you feel during the process definitely has an impact on the result as well. Turn the learning process into a dialogue with the world around you. Turn it into a pleasing moment, just like you hang out with your friends. It might be your new close friendship. Enjoy the times you spend with it. Sketch flowers or trees in case you love nature. Not caring about the results, there will be enough time to enjoy the result later. Now keep your full attention on every pencil stroke, every line you draw, with so much care and presence. There's a little fact about the girl on the portrait. I asked her if she was in love when the photograph was taken, and she told me that she was, but not with another person, but with photography as an art. And I loved it. So it was a passion in her eyes. And in case you feel this passion, this excitement in yourself, and you want to start drawing, then take a pencil and let this something that made you watch this video start. Actually, you already started. You are in the process right now. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Also share it with your friends. And make sure to subscribe to my channel because many new videos are coming soon. Take care and see you next time. Bye.